one of the roles that I have is as director of the Center for Chemical and Biophysical Dynamics, which is another word for a laboratory designed kind of full of laser experiments designed to help faculty in chemistry and in the Institute of Materials Research, as well as others throughout the university, in investigating dynamical aspects of materials research, chemistry, biology, physics. National Science Foundation certainly senses the need for research collaborations, which are becoming extremely necessary just in order to solve some of the more complex problems.
But collaborations to solve complex scientific problems lead to some problems of their own.
I've been working on one grant right now where we've been working with 6 different institutions around the world and sharing data and having secure, quick access. We usually get one of those 2.
Even if their data sets don't contain restricted data, researchers understand the importance to their funding agencies and to their own reputations of keeping their data secure. Research instrumentation can generate enormous amounts of data, and all of the collaborators need access to it.
We've had to come up with some creative ways of helping the group in Israel, the group in Arizona, the group in California, group in Missouri, here at Ohio State, and the Army Medical Research Institute for Chemical Defense, which is very secure because of defense firewalls. How we all get our data connected has been an interesting exercise.
Certainly, sharing data with multiple international groups requires creativity, but just because the problem is solved in one case doesn't mean that's the optimal solution.
There have had to be more creative ways for us to actually do this, and this is where, if there are secure ways of accessing the cloud or other things, that might be something that is critical for us for the future.
Cloud storage might prove to be a flexible option with minimal startup time.
When one goes into a funding agency with a collaboration, normally you're pretty well set. But one of the things that I've found is in our Center for Chemical and Biophysical Dynamics is that we do a lot of kind of one-time type things.
By its very nature, research can lead to unexpected places, and collaborations increase that tendency.
We're helping a colleague either here at Ohio State or someplace else do something that they could not otherwise do. And so those types of experiments are, especially as involving our center, happen all the time. I mean, it's kind of why we exist.
As the number of collaborators on a project grows, so do the complexities of data sharing. But in a facility such as Terry's, growth can also come from the capabilities of the facility. Success breeds success, and growth isn't always predictable.
Collaborative research projects have been more fundable, and especially when you collaborate broadly with the experts in the disciplines that you really need. This is only going to be more of a situation as we go forward because of limited resources. You want to solve big problems, you're going to need the expertise that may not necessarily all reside at a given institution.
Researchers need affordable data sharing solutions that are secure yet accessible, turnkey yet flexible.
This is an ongoing issue that we're to be quite honest, we haven't fully resolved yet, but it is something where we're trying to come up with a plan, if you will, to figure out how we do this going forward.